In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a PayPal button to your website on Squarespace, Wix, Blogger, WordPress. It doesn't matter. All you need to do is use HTML. So step number one is opening your website. Next up, you want to go to a website called Elfsight. So open Elfsight. Now once you're on Elfsight, you want to click on widgets right there and you'll find all of these widgets. Now they have a ton available, but you want to click on PayPal button right there. Then next up, you want to click on Create Widget, which you can find at the top right corner. Now once you're here, you can actually see the PayPal buttons. So they have a few available: donation, subscription, and checkout. Depending on which one you're looking for, you want to choose that and then click on Continue with this template. I'm just going to go with the donation one, and you can then customize this. So right there, you can add your PayPal email. You can then add a country, and you can choose your currency. So if you want to receive payments in US dollars, you then select US dollars. You can select euros, Canadian dollars, pretty much any currency out there. So choose that by clicking on it and then select it. Now once you're done customizing this button, which you can do by customizing the text, customizing the colors, the style, you want to click on Join to install. Now once you do that, you can sign up. Now I already have an account, so I'm going to click on Login. If you don't have an account, go ahead and sign up for an account. Now once you do that, it's going to send you back to the page where you need to click on Save at the top right corner, and this will then send you over to a page where you can click on Add to Website. Now before they're going to send you over to this page, you probably need to choose a plan. Because I'm already signed in, I don't have to, but you can go with the free one. And then if you decide to go ahead and actually use this on your website, you can upgrade it to the $5 a month plan if you want to. Okay, so make sure that you click to copy and then go back to your website. Now I'm using Squarespace in this video. Like I said, you can use any website builder out there. You just want to make sure to add code. So go to the section where you can add code and then paste that HTML in there, which is what I'll do right now. There you go. Click on apply and then click on done. In my case, like I said, this might be different if you're on Wix or some other website builder, but here you go. I now have a PayPal button on my website.